Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing the probability question of 2018. That is 2018 question number 17 simple A. All applicants who apply for a certain job in an institution are required to sit for an aptitude test. Those who obtain A grades in this aptitude test are selected for the job, and the rest of the applicants have to face an interview. In a survey, it was found that 60% of the applicants get A grades, and of these, 40% are females. From the applicants who face the interview, only 10% get selected, and 70% of them are females. Find the probability that question number 1, a male is selected for this job. Question number 2, a male who has been selected for the job has obtained an A grade for the aptitude test. So let's start with the question. So in question number 17, part A, question number 1, they have asked the probability of a male getting selected for this job. So a male can be selected from the aptitude test and from the interview. So let's find the probability of a male getting selected. So from this it means that 40% are taken for the interviews, and from the applicants who face the interview, only 10% get selected, and 70% of them are females. So this is how we write it. Only 10% are getting selected, so that is 1 over 10. Okay, and they said that 70% of them are females, so that means 30% are males. So this is 372 over 1000, or you can write it as, let's try dividing it. We can write it as 93 by 250. So now in part 2, they're asking the probability of a male getting selected after getting A. So let's say A as getting the result A. Okay. So for this we need to apply the conditional probability, because they are asking a male who has been selected for the job after obtaining an A grade. So that is this. I'm sorry, it's so males getting selected is 6 into 10 into 6 into 10. So this is 6 into 10. These are the ones who get A's, and PM is the males who are getting selected here. So we can take it and directly put it here as 93 over 250. So when we simplify this, we get 360 over 1000 over 372 over 1000. This is 30 by 31. And this is it for the 2017 simple A level past paper question of probability. Thank you for watching.